quick spawn. So in this one, let's do some blueprints, do some coding. So we've got to break this down. Gonna have one blueprint which is gonna get our player. We will get player pawn. Back to location and rotation. And now we do a target point so we can get maybe you get all actors of a class and then search target point. We do that, then we just add target points in. This is add to the array, so target points in scene. Here we type actor, object reference, and we want to make this that's the one that needs to go in there, I think. Christ, I haven't used arrays in a long time. And now we should have a list of all the arrays. So we do what we're doing is valid. Actually, that should be fine. We'll do a print string. And then I'm gonna just do a check to see that we're actually filling up this array. We'll do the for each loop so we can cycle through it. Plug that in there. And now if we add target points around on your play, we should see have seen 4. Where does get all that stuff class. Cycle through all of them. Mute my phone. Okay, so we're not getting all actors of class. What is this music? What? Let's change it. So back up to 5 people. That's pretty cool. Watching me fail at doing some blueprints. Be pretty sweet. So in a minute, event begin play. We are then gonna cycle through all of the ones in the scene, just so we can see how many we've got. At least that's the plan, but they're not showing up. Because we should just be able to get those. Oh, is it because it's not active? Is that right? It's a target point. I'm joining us on Jonathan's Discord. Yeah, it's pretty much everyone's Discord at this point. But yeah, if you got any questions about Unreal or VR or game dev in general, then head on over. Pretty sure that we'll be able to help you out. I'm not sure why this isn't firing. We should be getting something from it. Okay, the event begin play's not even firing. Oh, you know why? I didn't even have it in the scene. Oh my god. Why? I don't need it in the level blueprints because I'm going to remove it later on. Oh my god, I just failed so hard. Wish you guys didn't see that. And now we can do another print string with a for each. And we should have an array of spawn points. There it is. So we got a couple of times, so I wonder why. Ah, you know what it might be? That for each loop is going twice. So let's there it is. So we get the one lot through the for each loop, which we add to an array. And now I think we should be able to actually get for each loop. No. Get a copy. Back to location. Is there going to be a transform? Yeah, just do a transform. Saves me having two nodes. So event begin play, we get all of them in the scene, we add them to our array. Now we can actually create an input and then cycle between them. I want this to be on the keys, so I'm just going to actually use the keys. So let's do set. So we'll do let's try this. Location. Yeah, and then we'll do it down so we keep it in order. So now if I've done this right, we should change location when I hit a key. So we can play from here. If I hit one on the keyboard, we should move over there. Nothing happened. Aha, that's because I need to, on begin play, enable input. this is an actor, it doesn't actually have it by default. So now we press play. Give it a press 1 on the keyboard. We fall through the floor. That'll be because these points need to be higher up. Pink. Face that way. To the first target point, we've got that one. Then our second one, let's actually put up high. Basically all we're doing right now is just some quality of life stuff. Just makes it easier so we can move around the scene a lot faster. And it's not perfect, but it doesn't really have to be. We'll set up 4 spawn points, or at least 5. Gotta remember that goes from 0. Four. And we just make sure we fire that event. So now we can have 5 target points. I could set it up to the same key so it just cycles through, but at least this way I can control whereabouts we go. I've just got to remember which one goes where. So that was 2. Then we can have 3, maybe be the interior. 4. Be around here. And then the 5th will be up here. So now, should be able to hit play. 1 should be over there. 1 is inside. 2 is outside. 3 is over here. 4. Cool. Alright. It's easy enough to cycle through them if needed anyway, so don't really think we need to be too picky on it. But yeah, so that's pretty much a simple spawn point. And if that's the case, if we're not just doing that, we might as well just remove all of this, and we'll do a 1 button click. So we'll use 1. Get. I always get this wrong. Always get it wrong. Plus. One. So now this should count up. And if it's greater than or equal to, it'll be, how many spawn points? We've got 5. I think 5. Then we just do a branch. And we set it back to 0. So now we just took the 1 key, stopped it from working. I got enable input. I need to bloody change location. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So that was pretty easy. Oh, I just fell off the roof. Oops. Oh, sweet. So glad I didn't do that in VR. But now we can just hit the 1 key and we can just cycle through the building. Although the rotation's in the wrong direction. Doesn't seem to be caring what direction it is. Oh well, that's hard to deal with. Oh, that hurts my tummy. Yeah, it kind of made me feel uncomfortable. But at least we can move around the scene quicker now. Which is pretty good. And then all I've got to do is put all of this into a little folder.